Conditional formatting is quite useful. If you have a lot of data like this, supposing some of these are negative. Okay, I've just changed some of them as negative. Now it's hard to really see them as negative numbers. So what we might do is want to make negative numbers appear red. So the way you do that is to select them all, or to make the background cell red, which will make it really stand up. So select them all, click Conditional Formatting. This is the one that is the most highlight cell rules. So if we could say if the cell is less than 0, then we want a light red fill with dark red text. There we go. And that really makes it stand out, even if you print it off in a black and white printer. That's a great thing to start adding to your reports, and extremely easy to do, as you can see. And you have lots of different options here, greater than, less than, between, or duplicate values, or you can do date rules, or there's more rules as well. But 99% of the time I just use it for negative numbers. That one. Now the other one is useful is data bars. So supposing you have a lot of numbers. So let's just copy this down here. Let's just get rid of the formatting. And let's just copy that, make it a bit bigger. I'll show you how to use data bars. So conditional formatting, data bars, gradient fill. Now isn't that great? So it just shows the bigger numbers, you just can really see what 1597 looks like graphically compared to 58, and it really brings the numbers alive. So I find this a very useful, it's almost like merging a graph and numbers together in a very easy way, in a very useful way. So I would definitely use that one a lot. And you see there's all different colors, or you can use solid fill rather than gradient. The gradient has the lighter bit at the end, so it's a bit easier to read the number, whereas this one just emphasizes the color section, which makes the number sometimes a bit less readable. Color scales is also quite a good one. So as you can see here, so really large numbers it's done as blue. So let's just, it's a bit confusing because we've got two things going on at once. So let's just, I'll just copy this, move it down here, move it there, move it next to it, and let's clear the formatting, and let's just have the color scales, the first one. So what it's done here is it's made the really large numbers, the 1597, it's made them dark green, and it's made the really small numbers, the 58's orange. So it's worked out what ranges to put in with which color. It's okay, it looks very nice, but most people won't really know that dark green is necessarily more than red, which is why the data bars is more useful, although this one is probably prettier.